Hello, children. Good morning. Wish you a very happy day and Sai Ram, all of you. Let's start our prayer. Sign up. So, today we are going to start chapter number 14, our food, in which we can see the picture and there are two families, Venu's families and Rani's family. Venu and Rani are two girls. Okay, in Venu's family, his father is doing household work, and in Rani's family, his mother is doing household work. Okay, so in Venu's family, they all are eating together, and in Rani's family, his brother and father are eating before, and Rani is serving them. Then in Venu's family, Venu is riding a bicycle, and his father and mother both are reading newspaper. But in Rani's family, she and her mother are doing household work. Okay, and his father is only keeping rest. So, as we can see in both the picture, comparatively, in Venu's family, all have same equality. Woman and man both have equality. But in Rani's family, there is inequality between the behavior that only women are doing the household work, but men are doing only rest and for the earnings, work for only earnings. But in Venu's family, Venu's mother is a earning woman and his father is also, but his father also helps in the household work. तो चिल्ड्रन, इसमें समझने की बात क्या है कि विनू की फैमिली जो है उसमें घर का काम जो है सब मिल के कर रहे हैं, कोई ये नहीं देख रहे कि ये लेडीज़ का काम है और ये जेंट्स का काम है. बट रानी की फैमिली में ओनली लेडीज़ ही घर का काम कर रही है, जेंट्स उनकी कोई हेल्प नहीं कर रहे. ओके, दिस इज़ द पॉइंट. ओके, लेट्स गो फॉरवर्ड. Look at the two families given above. Which type of work is done by both the families? Okay. Then is your family like any one of these family? If yes, like which one? How is your family like theirs? मीन्स कि दोनों फैमिली किस टाइप के वर्क कर रही है. अगर आपकी फैमिली किसी दोनों फैमिली में से मिलती है तो वो कौन सी है. तो इन सब क्वेश्चन का आंसर मैं आपको पीडीएफ से देने वाली हूँ. ठीक है, चलो आगे देखते हैं. Do all the people in your family eat together? If not, why? Yes, all the people in our family eat together, but sometime our father came late to house, so sometime we have to eat with our mother only. Okay. How can you help in cooking? Yes, we can help in cooking by washing vegetable, by peeling of vegetable, by cutting them, or by serving the food. We can help our mother. Okay. Who does not help in cooking in the family and why? If someone don't know cooking, or if someone is unable or incapable to do work, they can't do cooking in the family. Okay. Otherwise, we should do cooking. Either you are a man or a woman. Okay, a boy or a girl. Okay. In the table, some of the work done in the house has been mentioned. Find out who does them in your house and who does them in your friend's house. Okay. So children, इसमें क्या करना है आपको कि जैसे पहले दिया है कुकिंग, आपके घर में खाना कौन पकाता है और आपके फ्रेंड के घर में खाना कौन पकाता है, ये आपको लिखना है. इन योर हाउस में भी समटाइम योर मदर कुक्स, में बी योर ग्रैंड मदर कुक्स, में बी योर सिस्टर कुक, में बी योर समटाइम योर फादर एंड ब्रदर ऑल्सो कुक, बट हु कुक्स इन योर friend's house. Okay, so in this type comparatively you have to write buying things from the markets. मार्केट से सामान कौन लाता है, ये मम्मी पापा दोनों ला सकते हैं, समटाइम ओनली पापा लाते हैं. तो आपके घर में कौन लाता है, फ्रेंड के घर में कौन लाता है, ये सब देखना. स्वीपिंग, झाड़ू निकालना. देन क्लीनिंग द यूटेंसिल्स, बर्तन साफ करना. फिलिंग द वाटर. ओके, all these things you have to do comparative study in your house and in your friend's house. So all the activity I will give you in the PDF. Just understand कि क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है, then we will do all question answer in our PDF. The names of some food items are given below. Add some more names. Color with green we get from plants and color with red we get from animal. Okay, green for those products which are vegetarian or we get from plants, and red for which we get from animals. Okay, not it is not about vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Green color for the things we get from plants and red color for the things we get from animal. Honey we get from animals because honey bee makes honey. Okay, so make it with red color. Turmeric totally green. Fish green. Corn green. Milk red. Lemon green. Spinach green. Potato green. Ajwain green. Egg red. Meat red. Banana green. Tomato green. Onion green. एंड यहाँ पे कुछ जो है ब्लैंक्स है, उनमें आप रेड या ग्रीन के एग्जांपल लिख सकते हैं जो चीज़ें हमें एनिमल से मिलती है, लेकिन होना चाहिए फूड आइटम. ओके, द थिंग्स वी यूज इन फूड. ओके, व्हेन यू आर सिक डू यू टेक एनी मेडिसिन फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स? व्हेन डू यू टेक एंड व्हेन यू गेट हर्ट वी यूज टर्मरिक पाउडर because it is a antiseptic. Okay, have a stomach ache we use ajwain because it makes our digestion better. Have cough and cold we take ginger. Okay, so ginger with tea or milk. Okay, or ginger powder we can boil and take with water. Have a toothache, then we use clove reduce the toothache. Okay, so these things we use when we are sick, and these material are all we get from plants. Okay, choose the correct basket for each item. Okay, फ्लावर्स जो है वो फ्लावर बास्केट में डालना है. लीव्स जो है, जिन चीज़ों के हम लीव्स यूज़ करते हैं लीव्स में डालते हैं. फ्रूट्स जो है फ्रूट में, और एनी अदर पार्ट ओके ऑफ प्लांट वो किस में, ये जो फोर्थ बास्केट है उसमें. अब आंवला इज ए फ्रूट. Lotus stem is any other part of plant. Spinach are leaves. Curry leaves are leaves. Cauliflower is in flowers. Potato any other part of plant because potato is a stem. Radish any other part of plant. Then banana, fruit, mustard any other part of plant. Okay, French beans are a kind of leaves also. Okay, you can consider it in leaves or fruits both. So in this way we have to make these 4 parts, 4 columns, and have to write these names. Everything with solution I will send you very soon in a PDF. So this is the food item and we have to divide them. This is a very easy chapter children, and the picture is all about the family work, and there is a discrimination in between the work of male and female. So we should not discriminate our work because none of the work is basically made for male and female. Okay, कोई भी व्यक्ति कोई भी काम कर सकता है. इसमें कोई भी ये नहीं होता कि ये औरत का काम है या आदमी का काम है. हमारा जो माइंड है वो हमें ब्रॉड रखना चाहिए, ओपन माइंडेड होना चाहिए, और कोई भी काम छोटा बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए, और हमें अपनी फैमिली में हेल्प करना चाहिए चाहे हम बॉय हैं और गर्ल हैं. ओके, so take care, understand the chapter, and I will send you the PDF. So must watch the video and read the PDF and then do it in your notebook. Take care. Sai Ram. Bye bye.